Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever felt like your home is missing that wow factor, you're looking in the wrong place. Stop looking inside and start looking right outside your front door. Today we're diving into the secret to killer curb appeal. Front yard entrance landscaping. Get ready to transform your home's first impression from meh to magnificent. Front yard entrance landscaping isn't just about having a few bushes and a patch of grass. It's the art of designing the space from the street to your front door. Think of it as the welcome mat, the greeting committee, and the visual appetizer for your home. It includes everything that defines the path: the walkways, lighting, plants, flower beds, and porch decor, all working together to create a cohesive and deliberate transition that sets the entire tone for your property. It's the visual conversation your home has with the world. Why bother with this outdoor effort? The benefits are huge. First and most importantly, it dramatically boosts your home's curb appeal, which instantly increases its perceived value. This is crucial if you ever plan to sell, as a beautiful entrance can literally add thousands to your asking price. Second, it creates a powerful sense of welcome and tranquility for you, your family, and your guests. It's a moment of natural beauty you get to experience every single day. Finally, a well-designed landscape provides year-round visual interest and can help with practical issues like drainage and soil erosion. It's an investment in both beauty and function. To achieve a beautiful front entrance, you need to focus on layers and balance. Start with a clear, inviting pathway. Whether you choose a formal, straight path like the one in charming, meandering stone path, ensure it's well-defined and clutter-free. Next, use a principle called framing the door. This means placing plantings, containers, or lighting symmetrically around the entrance to draw the eye directly to the focal point, your front door. Incorporate a variety of plant heights and textures, from low ground cover to mid-level shrubs to towering trees, to create visual depth and year-round interest. Don't forget lighting. Uplighting trees or placing path lights along the walkway not only enhances safety but adds a magical glow to your landscape after dark. The key is to make every element work together, complementing your home's architectural style, not competing with it. Need a cheat sheet for the must-have elements? Here are the best items to invest in for a stunning front entrance. First, architectural plants and shrubs. Think evergreen boxwoods, structured topiaries, or dramatic ornamental grasses that offer shape and color all year long. Second, vibrant seasonal flowers. Use annuals in pots, window boxes, or garden beds to inject a burst of color that can be changed out quarterly. Third, defining walkway material. Choose a material that complements your home: stamped concrete, natural flagstone, or warm gravel. Fourth, outdoor lighting. Low-voltage path lights, spotlights for trees, and decorative sconces near the door are essential for nighttime drama and safety. Fifth, decorative mulch or rock. A dark cedar mulch or contrasting decorative stone defines your beds and suppresses weeds, giving a clean, polished look. Sixth, retaining walls or edging. Use stone, brick, or metal edging to create crisp boundaries between the lawn and flower beds, like the beautiful stone border. Seventh, statement focal point. A decorative element such as a small fountain, a garden sculpture, or a stunning specimen tree can elevate the entire design. Now let's bring these ideas to life with your inspiration. We've curated 15 of the best front yard entrance landscaping concepts to show you exactly what's possible. 1. Modern minimalist. Structured and open. This new construction home features a sleek, contemporary aesthetic with a simple color palette of gray, white, and stone. The front yard is dominated by a perfectly manicured, sloping lawn and a bold, geometric stepping stone path leading to the entrance. Low-profile plantings in modern Corten steel planters define the perimeter, emphasizing the clean lines and impressive scale of the architecture. 2. Bold contrast. Modern craftsman charm. This design showcases a stunning contrast between the deep charcoal gray siding and the vibrant orange-toned wood garage door and porch ceiling. A curved, stamped concrete walkway leads to tiered stone steps, framed by meticulously pruned greenery, including a miniature Japanese maple and a tall, conical topiary. The stone veneer accents on the pillars and steps tie the look together, offering a perfect blend of rustic and refined elements. 3. Tropical and traditional. Bursting with color. This is a celebration of color and lush growth. A vast expanse of bright green lawn leads to tiered flower beds overflowing with a diverse mix of plants, including large grassy plumes, bright pink impatiens and tall purple blooms. The front porch, with its white railing and minimal color, acts as a clean backdrop, allowing the vibrant, wild garden to take center stage, creating a joyous and welcoming atmosphere. 4. Structured elegance. Classic brick and bountiful blooms. A traditionally styled red brick home is complemented by a structured and elegant landscape. A low stone retaining wall defines the flower beds, which are brimming with a mix of neatly pruned boxwoods and colorful annuals and perennials in shades of white, pink, and deep crimson. The large shade tree on the right anchors the design, creating a sense of height and permanence, while the brick-paved entry area echoes the home's material palette. 5. Enchanted garden entry. Cottagecore meets luxury. A dreamy, stone-paved winding walkway is framed by an abundance of lush, mature greenery and blooming shrubs in shades of white, pink, and deep red. The dense, layered plantings create a sense of privacy and seclusion, guiding the eye toward a cozy, arched-covered entryway. The mature trees provide a beautiful, natural canopy, giving the home a timeless, well-established, and utterly charming feel. 6. Symmetrical serenity. Simple and inviting. This classic symmetrical landscape features a smooth, curved concrete walkway that is neatly framed by beds of dark-colored mulch and a repeated pattern of tightly clipped, rounded evergreen shrubs and low-growing ground cover. The contrasting textures of the large, smooth shrubs and the finer, flowing ground cover create visual interest, while the minimal color palette keeps the focus on the clean lines and orderly design. 7. Coastal cottage charm. Porch-focused blooms. This bright white cottage-style home uses its expansive porch as a canvas for color. The red brick walkway leads to granite steps, with the main impact coming from container gardens and window boxes absolutely bursting with petunias, begonias, and other colorful flowers. Large hanging baskets draw the eye up, while mass plantings of red, white, and blue flowers line the path, creating a patriotic or classic cottage vibe. 8. Sun-drenched sanctuary. Lush tropical living. Perfect for warmer climates, this landscape embraces a tropical theme. The home is surrounded by a variety of palms, ferns, and exotic broad-leafed plants in shades of yellow-green and deep red. The dense, layered planting creates a feeling of being surrounded by a jungle oasis. The vibrant green lawn and the sunny color palette of the home and roof tiles complete the vacation-at-home feel. 9. Modern desert oasis. Minimalist curb appeal. This sleek, contemporary design pairs a warm taupe exterior and garage with a low-maintenance, drought-tolerant xeriscape featuring large, sculptural agave and yucca-like plants. The walkway is defined by two-toned stone and gravel, leading to a dark wood entryway. Integrated warm lighting enhances the modern, welcoming look, proving that less can definitely be more when it comes to a bold, striking front yard. 10. Rustic retreat. Stone, water, and winding paths. A natural-looking flagstone-stamped concrete path curves gently up to the porch, bordered by mass plantings of bright fuchsia petunias and a mix of perennial shrubs. The design incorporates natural elements like large decorative boulders and a tiered rock garden, suggesting a calming water feature nearby like a small pond or waterfall. The diverse textures and colors create a rich, inviting woodland garden aesthetic. 11. Florida finesse. The tropical rock garden. Perfect for a sunny climate, this design uses large palm trees as key vertical anchors, immediately suggesting a tropical escape. The beds are richly covered in dark red mulch, which contrasts beautifully with the bright green lawn and the creamy exterior of the home. The design utilizes a small natural rock retaining wall to manage a gentle slope, surrounding a diverse mix of flowering annuals, low-growing shrubs, and hardy ground cover for a relaxed, low-maintenance, and vibrant look. 12. Chromatic cottage. The colorful curb cut. This lively design proves that color is king. The home's dusty purple siding is spectacularly accented by a continuous, low hedge of shrubs in bright yellow-green and chartreuse, creating a bold, eye-catching boundary. A simple concrete driveway and curved walkway lead to a small porch, which is framed by a deep purple Japanese maple, providing contrast and height. The use of repeating color blocks creates a cohesive and joyful impression that is far from boring. 13. Archway Ascent. Focused foliage and brick. This entry is defined by its impressive tall brick archway and the striking navy blue front door. The landscaping uses height and symmetry to frame this architectural feature, with tall, narrow spiral-cut topiaries standing sentinel on either side of the steps. The walkway is a simple broom-finished concrete, bordered by rich red-toned mulch and a mix of full, rounded shrubs. The creeping vines on the siding and the colorful container pots add an element of softness and romantic charm. 14. Estate Grandeur. Layered stone and hydrangeas. This luxurious, traditional entrance features a stately home clad in natural fieldstone and framed by elegant white columns. The landscaping is defined by a large blue-gray flagstone patio/walkway that widens at the entrance, offering a comfortable gathering space. Lush, layered flower beds featuring mass plantings of white hydrangeas and colorful ground cover flow over low stone walls. The entire scene is bathed in the warm glow of carriage lights and subtle path lighting, creating an atmosphere of timeless, welcoming sophistication. 15. Moonlit Majesty. The coastal shingle entrance. A stunning example of dramatic nighttime landscaping. The large, shingled New England-style home is approached via a grand, tiered stone staircase, flanked by lush, voluminous plantings of white and purple hydrangeas. The most unique feature is the stepping stone grid lawn, where large flagstones are set within the turf, creating a beautifully textured and lit landing area. Subtle uplighting tucked into the shrubbery and along the steps illuminates the path, turning the entrance into a romantic, glowing focal point. Whether your style is the clean, minimalist look, the lush tropical escape, or the charming complexity, your front entrance is your home's greatest opportunity to make an unforgettable first impression. By focusing on your walkway, framing your door, and creating layers of life with diverse plantings, you're not just landscaping, you're crafting a daily experience. Which of these 15 stunning ideas is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get started, smash that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home improvement inspiration. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we break down the best low-maintenance plants for a dazzling entrance. Thanks for watching and happy designing! you.